Okay, this is 4.3a of geometry. So we're going to look at another postulate that has to do with triangle congruence. This one is the angle side angle postulate, or ASA. Notice in our picture, I need to have angle, then the side, then the angle. So it's angle, side, angle. Looks a little funky there without the extra sides. But, alrighty, let's use it. Which two triangles are congruent by ASA? Explain. Okay, well if I start over on the right, I have angle, side, but I don't have the angle over here. So this one doesn't work. This one here I've got angle, side, angle. And this one here I've got angle, side, angle. So these guys are congruent. And if I'm going to write out my statement, triangle, oh here, let me move my circles. Triangle OEN is congruent to triangle. Now it matters which order I do it in. I started with O, and that's the one that has the two arcs. So I'll start with the one that has the two arcs, V. Then I went to E, which has the one arc. So I'll go to U next. And finally S, so VUS. Okay, let's look down here at the got it problem. So, angle, side, angle. Angle, side, no angle. Angle, side, angle. And again, to write them out, I need to go make sure I watch my order. So, triangle OGH is congruent to triangle. O was the one that didn't have an arc, so that matches up with T. G was the one with one arc, so that matches up with C. And my last letter, A. Okay, write a proof using ASA. Okay, so it's kind of hard to see the markings on here. Maybe let me go over it. There's an arc there, a side there, 90 degrees there, 90 degrees there, arc there, or dash there, and arc there. Sorry, it's a little messy, but... Okay, so I am given that the sides are congruent, and that angle A is congruent to angle D, and then I have the angle B and E are right angles. So in my proof, I need to explain that angle B is congruent to angle E because all right angles are congruent. Then I can use angle, side, angle to prove that the triangles are congruent. Okay, let's try our got it problem. Okay, so I'm going to rewrite the given. So angle CAB is congruent to angle DAE. CAB, that's these guys right there. BA is congruent to EA. And angle B and angle E are right, ooh, that's pretty bad, angles. It's all my given. Took up a lot of space there. Okay, so this is very similar to the last proof we just did. Since angle B and angle E are right angles, they are congruent. And we can say all right angles congruent. The other way we could have done it is we could have said angle B is equal to 90 and angle E is equal to 90. That's the definition of right angles. And then by transitive, you could say that angle B is congruent to angle E. That would also work. Then I'm allowed to say that triangle ABC, is congruent to triangle AED by ASA. And there's your homework.